Hi, I'm Annette Whipple, and I just got a box from Ray Craft Books. Let's look to see what's inside. Ribbit, the truth about frogs. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I love how they illustrate with photographs and 1B1 Oliver's illustrations. Who's hopping? What's the difference between frogs and toads? Did you know that all toads are frogs? Really? Scientifically speaking. How do frogs eat? What sounds do frogs make? Oh, it's beautiful. And take a look at this. Two covers. And then the cover opens up to a poster, and then to another full-size poster of a glass frog. The skin is transparent so you can see its organs inside. How cool is that? So Ribbit, the truth about frogs. You can pre-order it now, and it'll be in your hands on May 15th. Hop to it.